guys to my channel. Well, before to get into today's video, I just wanted to quickly take a moment and appreciate my new graphic. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with it. I made it myself, and if you're new to this channel, this basically was the old graphic. I'm just gonna insert this on the screen, and then this that you just saw is the new one, and I'm like freaking obsessed with this. So also be sure to stay till the end of the video because you will see like how the graphic look at the end. And if you couldn't tell it already, I also changed my profile picture and also the banner of my channel, so I'm super excited for that. And yeah, so be sure to tell me in the comments below what do you think about my new graphic, because as you can tell, I'm literally obsessed with it. But anyway, as you can tell by the title, I got a new phone. So in today's video, I'm gonna do the unboxing and also a little story time, let's say, where I talk to you guys about how they tried to steal my money when I was trying to get this phone. And yeah, if you're interested to see that, just keep on watching. So this is how the box looked like when I first got it. I ended up getting it from the Apple site, and what I love about the Apple site is how secure the product look inside the packaging. So as you can see, this phone was definitely not gonna move inside the packaging, which means that it will not be damaged because of traveling or any of that stuff. So I think it's super great, and I truly legitimately love Apple products. So this is how the box looked like. Like I mentioned, I got an iPhone 6s and it is rose gold because literally I'm obsessed with this color, and I feel like now it matches my iPad, so they're kind of twins. It's adorable. And so yeah, this is how the iPhone look like. I'm really obsessed with this model. I really love the color. I love everything about it. But enough talking about the iPhone. Let's see what the box has inside. So first thing first, we gotta remove this little thing, and basically the first thing that we got are the typical stuff that Apple always gave, which are instructions and then a little thing to open up your iPhone, and also the adhesive, because well, those are just like a symbol of Apple, so you guys know the drill. And then moving on, we got also other free stuff, which are of course super basic. So first thing first, we got these headphones, which I actually got already free, so I don't know why I need a new one, but hey. Then we got this charger thing and also the cable to attach it, which I actually need a new one because mine broke so bad. And I think this is relatable. Well, I think that I'm gonna start by giving you guys sort of background story. So my old phone was an iPhone 5C, which by now still works, but when it started to kind of crack out, I realized that I needed a new phone, and I wanted the iPhone 6s rose gold for like ages. Even though it's not a new one, I wasn't looking for the newest phone on the market. I just wanted it because I personally really like it. And so I just don't care, you know, if now there's the iPhone 8 or if there's the iPhone X. I just liked the 6s. And basically I did some research so that I could try to buy it like in a sort of cheaper way, because in Apple site it was still quite expensive. And I found it on Amazon for like 100 or so euros less, so I thought it was, you know, a really good deal, and I put it on my cart, and it was there for like quite a while until I put the money on my card finally to get it. So when I decided to get it, there were like only 2 iPhone left, and I thought that I managed to put my hand in one of the 2 left. So I got my email saying that the order was complete and anything on that side was all perfect. And then, not 1, not 2, but almost a week later, I received an email saying that my order was cancelled because I didn't have the product. So I freaked out. I was just really mad with them. And well, basically I'm telling you guys this story because, you know, of course, one time it could possibly happen, but this happens 3 times to me because I actually tried to buy this iPhone on Amazon all the free time, and all the free time I failed it, or like everything looked good until someone sent me an email being also really rude, saying that I couldn't have my phone basically. So this is why I wanted to tell this story. But anyway, I ended up getting the phone on the Apple site because even though it was more expensive on there, I know that it was worth it, since literally every time that I tried to do this order and then the order went cancelled, my credit card was kind of blocked for that period, and I couldn't use the money from 15 up to 30 days, which is actually crazy because it could take up to a month, and I could not use the money that I had in my credit card because of all of this. And like I said, if this happens to me only once time, probably I would not be here telling you guys this. But it happened 3 times. And like Stylist used to say in Teen Wolf, you guys know that I'm obsessed with this series. If 1 is an accident, 2 is a coincidence, then 3 must be a pattern. And basically, I kind of think that I got scammed now. It was nothing crazy or whatsoever. I'm not trying to do any sort of clickbait whatsoever. But I just wanted to tell you guys this story, and basically, to sum up it all, I think you should not buy stuff on Amazon. Or like, I love Amazon, don't get me wrong, it was not Amazon's fault at all. I just blame the sellers of like this type of phone that were on Amazon for like this specific product. And well, the second time happens exactly the same thing that happened the first time. And then the third time that I tried to do the order, it was just the craziest ever. So this seller sent me an email quite a few days later saying that they did not have my phone into pink, like rose gold. It's okay if I send it in silver. And I was like, what? Like, you must be kidding me. On Amazon, the rose gold iPhone was, I don't know, for whichever reason, the most expensive. So the silver, the gold, and I think also the gray were like a normal price, and then the rose gold was highly expensive compared to the other ones. And he wanted to give me a phone that they sell for cheaper as for like color wise, while I paid for the rose gold one. So this was legitimately crazy. I called Amazon, and the girl was actually super sweet and kind, and she said to me, hey, we can talk to the seller, saying like how many days it will take for him to have the pink one again, so that you can decide what you want to do. So she sent him an email, I sent him an email. She also gave him a negative feedback, which honestly he needed so freaking bad. I wish that I could have done it myself, but honestly I just don't know how to do that. So I know I'm kind of down for that, but And the next day this seller sent me an email saying, okay, then we'll delete your order. Like, just like that. He did not explain anything. It didn't actually say, oh, I'm sorry, like I owe you some apology whatsoever. It just didn't do any of that, and that's what makes me more angry. I do buy a lot of stuff on Amazon. Even the other day I had to talk with the seller because my product was not coming yet, and like all the sellers that I've been in contact with were really kind and just like open, they always try to help you with your problem. And this one was like the rudest that I have met. And not only was rude, my money were like blocked in my credit card for a time after the order got cancelled. So I couldn't use it for buy a new one. Well, I think I'm just like randomly a little bit. It was really frustrating. I just wanted to quickly tell you guys this story. Maybe it will help you guys out. Hopefully you will never experience something like this because it was really frustrating. But then ends up, I got my phone now. I'm really happy with it. I'm literally in love with it, and I couldn't ask for more. I would definitely say trust the Apple site, or if you want to go to a store and buy your phone, go ahead and do that. Just don't trust Amazon for phone or list the sellers that I personally got in contact with. Honestly, I will tell you guys their name. The only reason why I don't do that is because I have a terrible memory, and personally I do not remember their name, and each order that I've done got cancelled, so it's not that I have them on my orders so that I can look at them whatsoever. And yeah, so I think that's pretty much it for this story time. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, of course, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Tell me in the comments below what you think about my new graphic and also all this crazy experience that I have. Be sure to leave me your thoughts. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!